Hi investors, it's Bernice Bretzloff with TurnkeyInvest.com, and today we're branching out a little bit to West Memphis, Arkansas, where we have 17 existing built-to-rent new construction homes, 2 of which are available for sale. Today we're going to tour 2504 East Tyler Avenue in West Memphis, Arkansas. This one is currently reserved, but there are 2 more next to it that are open for sale. This is a B-class area. All these homes are 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with a 1-car garage. Let's go take a look. These properties are currently listed at $175,000 flat, with a target monthly rent of $1,550 a month with 1,250 square feet. Here we have 2502 East Tyler, and the one to the left of 2502 East Tyler is 2500 East Tyler. Lots of new development here in West Memphis, Arkansas. I'm gonna pan to the left here a little bit. Over there, you will see a brand new elementary school. That elementary school is a 5-minute walk from these new construction properties. Once we hit the backyard, you're gonna love the backyard, always my favorite part. I will point out the junior high school, which is also a 5-minute walk in that direction from the properties. You can see it from the backyard. Lots of new development here in West Memphis, Arkansas. We also have Google coming out, building an AI plant here. One of my favorite parts about these specific builds are the doors. This builder is painting each door a different color, and I think it is very trendy, very cute. We have a covered front porch out front. If I pan over to our other builds over here, you will see that residents are putting out cute little chairs and even patio tables on their front porch to relax and enjoy the fresh air outside. Let's take a look inside this 1-car garage. Automatic 1-car garage. We do have the electrical panel in the garage as well. Let's take a look inside. Thank you so much for tuning in to our most recent video. If you like seeing these home tours of Memphis and the greater areas, we would greatly appreciate it if you liked and shared this video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, back to our scheduled programming. Upon entry, we are greeted with an open layout. Concrete stained flooring throughout. It is very durable, low maintenance, easy to clean, and keeps your turn costs down. In case, God forbid, there's ever a leak in your rental property, you're not replacing the flooring in the home. Spacious living area, bountiful natural light within the home. Off of the front door here, we do have the coat closet. That concrete flooring flows into the bottom. We have wire rack shelving up top, all closets throughout the home. The living area flows seamlessly into the kitchen, where you will see granite countertops, stainless steel sink, a deep stainless steel sink, great for meal prepping, white shaker cabinets. All of our new construction builds out here are fully equipped with a range, vent-to-hood, and dishwasher. Off of the kitchen, we do have the dining area. It is an E-end kitchen, perfect for a round table overlooking the backyard. Residents can watch their kids play out back. Off of the kitchen here, we do have the laundry closet. Wire rack shelving up top for any laundry storage needs. I love that there's a light in this closet as well. Very clean, spacious, and functional. Off of the kitchen, we have the pantry closet. Plenty of wire rack shelving for any dry goods storage needs. Before we take a look at the bedrooms, I would like to go over numbers with you. So let's talk numbers. With a purchase price of $175,000 flat and a target monthly rent of $1,550 a month, you're looking at a cap rate of 7.25% and a cash on cash return of 5.18%. Your total cash needed to close would be $50,250, resulting in a monthly cash flow of $217.90. Let's go take a look at these bedrooms. Heading back through the kitchen, here we have the primary bedroom, spacious primary bedroom. Could fit a queen bed with a dresser with plenty room to spare. Here we have the primary closet, wire rack shelving, versatile wire rack shelving, perfect for folded laundry and hanging laundry, extra room for shoes. Let's take a look at the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom features granite countertops, one sink vanity, built-in shower, deep tub, and a nice little shelf up top to hold any shampoos, soaps, all that good stuff. Perfect for storage. Just off of the living room, you can find bedrooms 2 and 3. Here we have bedroom 2. Could easily fit a full bed and a dresser with room to spare. Closet for bedroom number 2. Spacious closet. Head over to bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 could also fit a full bed and a dresser with room to spare. Closet for bedroom number 3. Wire rack shelving up top, concrete stained flooring in the bottom. One last pan. In between bedrooms 2 and 3, we have the shared bathroom. The shared bathroom also has a one sink vanity. A little bit smaller countertop. It is a granite countertop. And of course it's new construction build, so everything's new. New toilet, new shower. Once again, I love the shelving in the shower here. I don't know if I pointed out, these homes are energy efficient, so they have LED energy efficient lighting throughout. Residents love this. It keeps their utility costs down. Let's take a look out back. Out back, we have a fenced-in backyard. Plenty of room. Nice concrete pad. Out back, perfect for a couple of chairs to enjoy your space. Now this fence will be closed off over here once we finish our new construction builds. As you can see, we do have more lots to develop over here. Lots more to come. Just over the fence here, you can see that brand new middle school. Once again, 5-minute walk from this property. Give you a quick pan of the back. Once again, we have 2504 East Tyler, which is the property we just showed today. Next to it, we have 2502 East Tyler. This property is available, and 2500 East Tyler property is also available. Thank you so much for going on this lovely tour with me at our new construction properties over in West Memphis, Arkansas. As I stated earlier, there is a lot of new development over here in West Memphis, Arkansas. Google just moved in. They will be here for a couple of years, and they are getting started. They are about 12 minutes away from our properties here. We also have the Coca-Cola plant, which is 10 minutes away. Lots of new jobs and opportunities in the area. This area is also 13 minutes away from downtown Memphis, so anyone looking to relocate from the busy city life, this is the area for them to do it. Thank you so much once again for going on this tour with me. If you have any questions about investing in Memphis or the surrounding areas like West Memphis, Arkansas, please feel free to reach out to me and my team at turnkeyinvest.com. We would love to hear from you. Bye.